Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I am going to be talking about live AI airdrop. So this particular airdrop has been happening and a lot of people have been ignoring it because maybe they are not aware of it, or probably they don't know how to participate in the airdrop. So in this video I am going to show you the simple steps on how you can participate on this particular airdrop. It's very simple. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video and make sure you like and comment and share to your friends because they don't know who this particular video is going to help. So Live AI is an AI app that is built on Avalanche blockchain. So it's being supported by Avalanche, and you all know about Avalanche. Avalanche is a very good blockchain that has a lot of potential and it has a lot of utility projects. So this particular airdrop is also a utility project. In a very short cut, I'm going to show you how you can participate in this airdrop. It's very simple. All you just have to do is to download MetaMask wallet. When you download MetaMask wallet from your Google Play or from your Apple Store, when you are done downloading your MetaMask wallet, so the next thing for you to do is to open MetaMask. So when you open your MetaMask, the next thing for you to do is what? You click on network. It's very simple. It's showing on the screen over here. You can see it on the screen over here. You click on network. When you click on network, you need to change it to Avalanche. C chain network. So this is the network you need to change it on your MetaMask. So once you are done with your MetaMask setup, you copy the wallet address. You copy the wallet. Copy wallet. You copy the wallet. When you copy the wallet, you visit live AI.io, right? So you visit their website. When you visit their website, MetaMask to the website. When you are done connecting MetaMask to the website, you participate in the tax. So that is how you can participate in this live AI airdrop. So you are going to see this free tutorial over there. So make sure you watch and follow the process. It's very simple to participate in this particular airdrop. Remember that the earlier you start participating in the airdrop, the better for you to receive more allocation when this particular airdrop is going to be listed on the exchange. So that is all about live AI airdrop. It's very simple to participate. I know why I have to break it down like this so that you the viewers will understand on how to participate on this airdrop. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. If you like this video, you can share this video as well to your friends because you don't know who this video would help in your niche. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Bye.